How to change country in Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change country in Google Play Store. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Play Store on your device. Head towards Profile at top right corner of the screen, and a menu bar appear where you have to select Payments and Subscription option. Now choose Payment Methods. Here you will see different options. Simply select More Payment Settings. Choose Chrome browser or any of the way to open the site. Tap on Add a Payment Method. Now add credit or debit card, the date, cardholder name, and from here you can see the billing address. Simply you can fill in your billing address according to your choice and simply change country and tap Save button, and your country in Google Play Store will be successfully saved. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.